2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 47,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!